This is Hari Krishna. Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss the concept kurtosis. Kurtosis is a quantity that indicates how sharply a probability distribution function increases. That indicates how high the distribution is around the distribution. We can evaluate kurtosis by the moments. That formula is given by beta 2 equals to mu 4 divided by mu 2 whole square, where mu 4 is the fourth moment, mu 2 is the second moment. Later we discuss about moments, how to evaluate moments. Now, if the kurtosis value is greater than 3, the distribution is said to be more peak and the curve is called as leptokurtic. If beta 2 equals to 3, the distribution is called as mesokurtic, is also called as normal distribution. If beta 2 is less than 3, the distribution is to be flatter than normal curve and the curve is called as platykurtic. Now, in the diagram, we can observe clearly is the leptokurtic, mesokurtic and platykurtic. These are the different curves based on the kurtosis. Now coming to the moments, we have 4 moments: mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4. Now mu1 dash equals to summation ft by n into c, mu2 dash equals to summation ft square by n into c square, mu3 dash equals to summation f d cube by n into c cube, and mu4 dash equals to summation f d power 4 by n into c power 4. Now the first moment is given by mu1 is nothing but mu1 dash. Second moment is mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Third moment is mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube. The fourth moment is given by mu4 equals to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash into mu1 dash whole square minus 3 into mu1 dash whole power 4. Now with the help of moments, we can evaluate here skewness and kurtosis. Skewness is given by beta 1 equals to mu3 square divided by mu2 cube. Kurtosis is given by the formula beta 2 equals to mu4 divided by mu2 square. Already we have evaluated the skewness using median and mode, but here also in the kurtosis concept we can evaluate skewness by using the moments. Now take an example. From the following distribution, calculate first 4 moments about the mean. Second problem, skewness based on the moments, clearly given that we have to evaluate skewness based on the moments. Third problem, kurtosis, also comment on the result. Given wages in the first column, second column, number of workers. Now to evaluate skewness, kurtosis, first we have to find the moments about the mean. To evaluate moments, we use this table. Now take the first column, wages, second column, mid values, third column, number of workers, nothing but frequencies, third column, deviations. Here dA equals to xi minus a divided by h. Here a is the assumed mean. Approximately we take the middle of the series, that is 170. H is the width of the interval. Now evaluating dA's, we get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Sum of frequencies is summation fi equals to 45. Evaluating deviation squares, and then fi di, fi into di. Next fi di square, fi into di square, fi di cube, fi di4, and then evaluating these sums, summation fi di, summation fi di square, summation fi di cube, summation fi di power 4. Now evaluating the movements about mean. For mu dash, before that we have to evaluate mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. Now mu1 dash is given by summation ft by n into c, where summation fd is 10 divided by n, sum of frequencies 45 into width of the interval, that is 20. That gives 4.44. Mu2 dash equals to summation fd square by n into c square, that equals to 64 divided by 45 into 20 square, that gives 568.88. Mu3 dash equals to summation fd cube divided by n into c cube, that is 40 divided by 45 into 20 cube, that gives 7111.11. And mu4 dash equals to summation f d power 4 divided by n into c power 4. Here f d power 4 value 330 divided by 45 into 20 power 4, that gives 11,73,333.33. Now we evaluate the moments. First moment about mean is nothing but mu1 equals to mu1 dash value 4.44. Second moment about mean, mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square, that equals to mu2 dash value 568.88 minus mu1 dash value 4.44 whole square, that gives 549.16. Similarly, the third moment is mu3 equals to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash into mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash whole cube, that equals to 7111.11 minus 4.44 into 568.88 plus 2 into 4.44 whole cube, that gives minus 291.32. And fourth moment is mu4 equals to mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash into mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash into mu1 dash whole square minus 3 mu1 dash whole power 4, that equals to 11,73,333.3 minus 4 into 4.44 into 7,111.11 plus 6 into 4.44 into 22 into 568.88 minus 3 into 4.44 into 44, that equals to 11,13,162.18. Now skewness is given by beta 1 equals to mu3 square divided by mu2 cube, mu3 square value minus 291.32 whole square divided by 549.16 whole cube, that gives 0.00051. And curtis is given by beta 2 equals to mu4 divided by mu2 square, that equals to 11,13,162.18 divided by 549.16 whole square, that gives 3.69. The conclusion is, from the above calculation we can observe that beta 1 value is approximately 0. So the curve is a normal curve. That means it is a symmetrical curve. And the kurtosis is greater than 3. So that implies the distribution is leptokurtic.